Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have something a little bit special. This is the Apple Airpods Gen 2 and the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm going to do an unboxing. This one looks pretty standard, similar to the Gen 1 version. As you can see here, second generation, with a charging case and apparently a speaker. And this is the Apple Watch Ultra. I got it with the orange Alpine loop, right? The box on this is a recycled type of box based on the feel, all right? It's different from this. So let's start with opening the AirPods Pro Gen 2. It's got a tab here which you just pull out like that. Okay, you don't tear it, I guess. So you just openly, slowly do it like that, and just let it drop. Oh, that's both sides. So interesting. So it's just a peel off. You don't have to tear it, but I think you really don't have much choice depending on your luck. So okay, don't have to tear it. Don't mind the wind noise. I got this from Machines Malaysia. Came today. Okay, standard stuff. I think it's got the sticker and all that. And this is the new case, which has the speaker on it. Let's tear this out. Please excuse the next door neighbor. He's doing some big renovation. So yeah, looks like the ordinary AirPods Pro case right there, and it's got the speaker right here. Pretty standard stuff. Yeah, I think the magnet's a little bit different. Yeah, but all in all, I think, yeah, I've been hearing a lot of rave reviews online about this in terms of the sound quality and the noise cancellation features. So let's put this aside. It's not as exciting as this new Apple product, which I'm really excited to replace with. This is my old Apple Watch Gen 6, I think. Apple Watch 6 or is it 5? I can't remember. Anyway, let's open this. This is a new kind of box, as opposed to the older versions where it's a long, thin box. I've seen videos online and it looks pretty cool. Oh, there it is. Amazing, look at that. It comes with a booklet, right? Well, it comes to no surprise. No, wait, sorry, this ain't the booklet. All right, this is just paper and a few pages, because I've been seeing unboxing videos online, and yeah, this is basically just a catalog, right? Nothing much. Alright, pretty cool. It's all colored. I like that North Face kind of design. And it's got two boxes here, which we'll put aside. Again, that North Face type of mountain-ish Alpine look. Put this to the side. And the main attraction is, of course, you can choose different colors, but I went with the orange one because it matches with the so-called action button on the side of the watch, Alpine loop. I am quite interested to see how this functions, especially as a activity sports watch. I think there's no choice. You probably have to tear this. Else. I like the unboxing experience of this new product. Whew, lovely paperwork here. Very, very nice. Now the problem with sports watch bands is that when it gets sweaty, you have to wash them off thoroughly, because otherwise the sweat will remain, and you know, you'll be all geeky and stuff. Similar to this one, which is the third-party UAG sports watch, which I really love. It's white and, you know, very sporty. But the problem with this is this material catches a lot of bacteria if you don't wash it, so you have to wash it thoroughly. Hopefully I don't have this problem. And let's get to the body of the watch itself. Really excited to open this. Now the thing about me is that I love bulky watches, alright? Thick, bulky watches. And I think I've unboxed my previous sports watch, which was the Garmin Epix 2, which I really liked, but I felt it was a little bit redundant to have the Apple Watch Ultra and the Gen 2 side by side, so I decided to sell off the Garmin. But I think the Garmin, in terms of a fitness watch, it really achieves that objective, and although it's more pricey than the Apple Watch Ultra, even the Epix 2 is more expensive than this. I think I just stick within the Apple ecosystem for now. This is the charging thingy. Alright, so let's open it. I'm trying not to destroy this, so yeah. Okay, there you go. Now it's braided, of course. It's got the charging magnet thingy. Of course, you've got the body itself. So how do I open this? Oops. There you go. I tore it already. Anyway. There you go. Beautiful. Big face. Now of course this is a third-party case as well. So you can see it's thick, it's wide, as wide I guess, with the casing. So I'll probably have to, not sure if I need a casing for this. Not sure if they have third-party cases for this yet. But yeah, this is sapphire, premium, feels rather heavy. I'm not sure why people say it's light. It is not. It feels really substantial. Not heavy, but not light either. But it feels high quality and substantial. The materials are premium, that's for sure. It's got the sensor there. With the glass, the speakers are huge. And I like this piece that protrudes out, makes it look really sporty. Action button. Yeah, feels high quality. The buttons feels high quality. And I'm not sure you can zoom in. Come on, Apple, iPhone, zoom in. Yeah, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Yep, Malaysia has got it already. Yeah, so hope you like the first unboxing video of the Apple Watch Ultra and AirPods Pro Gen 2. Alright, catch you guys in the next video. Follow me on IG at LKHOE23. I'll see you guys later. Bye.